In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit your WhatsApp message after sending it. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up WhatsApp, then enter a conversation, and now I'm just gonna quickly send a message here. In 15 minutes after sending a message, we are able to edit it. To do that, all we have to do is just long press on it and then hit right here at edit. After that, we'll be able to correct our message as a regular text and then just hit right here at this check mark to send it. It says here that this message was edited for everyone in this chat on the latest version of WhatsApp. Right here it says edited and everyone see that you have changed your original message. However, then they won't be able to check the original message itself, just the edited version. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.